Hello everyone. So today we're going to build another integration app for the OMI ecosystem. Last time we built an integration app that used the memory creation trigger. Basically, every time OMI process a memory, it sends us a message to our own API, and we can then like do whatever we want with that trigger. It's our own code, our own API. We can build our own front end on top of that. We saw how we can deploy to AWS, so it will be available on the internet properly. And we also saw how we can run the API locally on our computer and also use ngrok to make it accessible on the internet. So I would recommend watching those two videos before watching this one because I will be referring to some stuff we talked about in those videos. Okay, so again, in this video, we're going to do the real-time transcription processor. In this case, we're going to have an API endpoint that's going to be triggered by the OMI backend every time there is a new text that was generated. So instead of having access to a memory, which is a post-processing, so after OMI processed the transcription from the wearable, it tried to find memories and things like that. No, in this time we're going to use the real-time transcription. We're going to get access directly to whatever is being said next to the necklace. Um, just for fun, I'm going to make it so every time someone mention a cookie or chocolate or anything like that, um, Omi is going to send me a notification saying Adam no. The cool part about this is that I'm going to keep all of it private, so I'm not going to make this app public on the Omi App Store. I'm only going to use this for my own use case, and I'm going to run the API on my computer. So it's cool because you can develop apps for a lot of people, and you can also develop apps for yourself. This is talking to a lot of developers on the Discord channel and in real life in San Francisco. This is what most people are interested in, just to see how they can get access to the real-time transcription to build their own use cases, whether it is for I don't know, restaurants or doctors or psychologists and stuff like that. I think this tutorial will be very much relevant. So we're going to base our code based on the old code that we had before. So basically, we're going to import Fast API to install Fast API in UVCon. We're going to import that, create an app instance, and then we're going to have the old webbook. Let's just copy it to. Let's copy it here. This is the old webbook. Let's create a new one. Let's call it live transcript, and we're going to in this time we're going to let's see. Now let's look on the so we need to make an endpoint that is a post request also get no, this is still memory creation, sorry. A post request to our endpoint that get a user ID, session ID, and again dictionary, which is a list of dictionaries. Each dictionary will have like a text. Cool. All right, so let's do it. So create a new post transcript. Let's change it to transcript. The user ID the same. Cool. So now just to test it out, uh, let's print it already directly. Okay, just let print the transcription as we get it, so we know how to work with it. So we have this. It's super simple. We're going to run it. So Python 3. Test API. Right now, the API is running locally, and we're going to use ngrok, like in the previous tutorial, to open our uh, localhost port 8000 to the internet in this URL, and then I'm going to send this URL to my phone so I can open it in my OMI app. Okay, now that I copied the stuff to my phone, let's open the OMI app. It's going to connect to my wearable. It's connecting. Okay, connected. Now let's go to apps. Let's create a new app. Let's an image. Here is an image of me brushing my teeth. Let's call it Adam. Then no cookies, please. Although I really like cookies, but okay. App category, safety and security. Help Adam not eat cookies. And then also I forgot we need to enable app capability external integration. And then in the trigger, we're going to choose a transcript process. Basically, unlike the previous one, where we chose memory creation, we're going to choose transcript and webhook URL. We're going to paste our URL, and at the end, we just need to make sure we are adding the right URL, which is live transcript. Live transcript. I think it's correct, and then cool. See, I'm not making it public, so it's only available for me. Submitting, nice. And now I need to find it and make sure it is installed. Here we go. Adam no cookies, please install app. Now it needs to be installed. Now we can go to memories, and we should start seeing segments being sent to our stuff. Oh, okay, we already seen a segment. Oh, here we go. Hello, my name is Adam, and I am the king. Let's see. Here we go. Hello, and Adam, and I'm the king. Okay, now that we're getting text, as you can see, we get like a dictionary and stuff like that. Now, let's make sure let's add some stuff. Okay. It's not so complete. Okay, basically, if the string cookie is in any one of the text I get in the segment, the message will be Adam no. That's it. And basically, the message we send here will be sent back to Omi servers, and Omi server will send that as a success request. Cool. All right. Now we need to run it again. Clear. Okay. And now, okay. Basically, I think if I'm going to say, Adam, do you want a cookie? Let's see. Adam, do you want a cookie? Does not seem to work. Cookie? Adam, do you want some cookie? Cookie. Alright, I don't see the notification. Why is that? Let's see. Right. For segment in segment. So first segment. Okay, let's do this. I think I need to make sure it's slower. Now let's run it again. Adam, do you want some cookies? Adam, do you want a cookie? Okay, we do get the segments, and it should be there. And then cookie. Let me think. Okay, let's let's do this. Let's add some prints to make sure we understand what is going on. Also, let's remove this because it is confusing. Right. Cookie. Adam, do you want some cookies? Okay. I think it is understanding. Let's see. Adam, do you want a cookie, please? This is how real developers debug, with prints, not with debugger. Adam, do you want some cookies? I think you should. Cookies found. Yeah, it does get into the. Okay, so for some reason the notification is not working. Right, let's see. Adam, do you want some cookies? Yes, do you want some cookies? Maybe it is the 200. It doesn't value 200 for some reason. Maybe, let's see. Adam, do you want some cookies? Yeah. Okay, do you see now? Adam, do you want some cookies? Oh, it's so funny. Adam, are you sure you don't want some cookies? Damn. Okay. And that's it. We found the bug. For some reason, I should not have returned the 200 here. So, yep, that's all. And that's it.